Capture more leads, book more appointments, and engage customers 24/7 with your always-on voice and messaging assistant. Whether someone reaches out by chat or a phone call, our powerful AI is ready to handle any conversation. It uses your business data to deliver accurate, personalized responses and handles routine tasks like scheduling and follow-up. To get started, go to the AI Workforce tab and click Configure under the AI Receptionist, then click Settings under Voice. We automatically assign a dedicated local phone number. This number handles both calls and text messages. You can also use this new number we provide as your main business number and set up instructions for call forwarding, missed call text back, and for having the AI voice receptionist answer. If you'd like to keep using your existing business phone number, you can forward your number to the one we provided. Simply follow the instructions. Most mobile carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, Rogers, Bell, and others use the star codes shown here. Once implemented, to double-check it worked, call your business number from another phone. Next, let's set up what happens when a call is received. We recommend selecting Answer with AI. With this, incoming calls from the number we provided will go to your AI voice receptionist. We'll show you how to configure this in a moment. You can also set up an automatic text message to be sent to the caller after the call ends. There's also a setting to forward the call. In this setup, you bypass the AI voice receptionist, and the call is routed to a specific number that you choose, such as your main and current business phone number. Choose this option if you wish to take advantage of missed call SMS text messages. Just like with the other options, you can send an automatic text message to the caller. You can choose to send it right away or only if the forwarded call is missed. In this case, you can send a text message to the caller and even play an AI-generated voice message before ending the call. Some businesses use this during extended closures. In these instances, however, we still recommend keeping the AI receptionist active so you never miss a lead. If a caller replies to any of your follow-up SMS messages, the AI chat receptionist can automatically continue the conversation. More on how to configure your chat receptionist later. Don't forget to click Save to lock in your changes. Next, let's personalize your AI voice receptionist by changing the name, photo, and voice style. Right out of the box, your AI voice receptionist comes pre-configured. It's designed to speak in a friendly, casual tone, keep responses short, and sound natural like someone you'd actually want answering the phone. You can also customize how your AI receptionist sounds. Choose from multiple voice families, like DeepGram and OpenAI, each with their own personality and strengths. For example, DeepGram is great in noisy environments, while OpenAI is multilingual. You can preview each voice with the play button before selecting the one that feels most natural for your brand. Under Capabilities, you'll notice your voice receptionist is already preset. With these preset capabilities, your receptionist will ask for contact information and preferred booking times. When you're ready to customize things further, you can come back here to add new capabilities and fine-tune your AI's behavior. One of the most useful things your AI receptionist can do is book appointments directly into your calendar, click the Add a Capability button, and select the Book Appointment Booking capability. This capability integrates with your calendar and follows the same availability as your connected Google or Microsoft accounts. You can choose which booking link you'd like to use, and the AI receptionist will automatically schedule and add appointments to your calendar. Once everything is connected, it can suggest available time slots, confirm the booking, and send a confirmation by text or email. Next, let's review knowledge sources. Your AI receptionist automatically has information from your business profile and your website. You can also have it automatically refresh every month. That way, your voice receptionist always has the latest version of your site to reference. Be sure to add any other knowledge sources your receptionist might need. If you have content that isn't on a live web page like a service menu or a list of FAQs, you can upload those files to the knowledge base too. Want your AI receptionist to go above and beyond? With custom capabilities, you can connect it to external tools and APIs, unlocking personalized experiences for your callers. You can use APIs to pull real-time information, manage bookings, or link the receptionist to your business systems. For example, you could create a concierge-style interaction where the AI not only books a facial but also recommends add-ons, checks availability, and sends a confirmation, all in one smooth conversation. But for now, let's focus on getting your AI receptionists up and running. You can save the advanced custom capabilities for later. Now let's set up your chat receptionist, the AI employee that lives on your website, in SMS messages and is ready to chat with every customer around the clock. If you've already set up the voice receptionist, you can reuse most of the same configuration. There are just a few chat-specific features you'll want to know about. For example, your AI chat receptionist can include clickable links in conversations. That makes sharing things like service menus, directions, or promotional pages easy. If you've already linked these pages in your knowledge sources, the AI can reference them automatically during chats. Most of the default responses are already tuned to handle common questions and capture leads, so you're ready to go right out of the box. If you're eager to get started, you can keep the defaults and make changes later. Once your chat receptionist is set up, it's time to install it on your website so it can start greeting visitors and capturing leads. Before you add it to your site, you can personalize the web chat widget with a few final touches. Add a welcome message to appear in the chat box, and write an initial message for when someone interacts with the chat for the first time. You can also customize the look and feel of the widget to match your brand. There are a few different ways to install your web chat. You can use a simple JavaScript snippet, or choose platform-specific options for WordPress, Wix, Squarespace, and others. For each option, you'll find detailed instructions here to help you get it added to your website quickly. Once it's installed, give it a try. Test real conversations, see how it responds, and make improvements over time using the purpose settings in your AI chat receptionist. Once your AI receptionists are live, all incoming messages from web chat, phone calls, or even SMS flow into one place. The Conversations tab. Here you'll see two types of conversations: inbox and anonymous web visitors. Inbox conversations are from customers who've provided their contact details, so you can follow up by text, email, or WhatsApp, depending on what you've set up. You can enable more communication channels under the Administration tab. Simply follow the instructions to connect your business's Facebook Messenger, Instagram messages, and more. Once done, all conversations will flow into a single, unified inbox. Then there are anonymous chats. These are from people who asked a question but didn't provide their info. They might not be leads yet, but they're still a goldmine for insight. Once your AI receptionists are capturing leads through voice and chat conversations, it's time to connect the dots using automations and your CRM. Every identified lead is automatically added to your CRM, where you can track their contact details, conversations, and activity over time. With automations, you can trigger personalized follow-ups, send updates, and nurture leads without any extra effort. One of our most popular templates is called Engage Calendar, Pipeline Updates. Here's how it works. When a meeting is booked with your AI receptionist, that lead is moved to a pipeline stage in your CRM. From there, your AI chat receptionist can continue the conversation with the next steps or reminders. If you've already set up your pipeline stages, great, you're ready to go. If not, no problem. You can wait to enable this automation until your pipelines are in place. They can be added and customized within the Opportunities section of your CRM. With CRM and automations working together, your AI team doesn't just greet customers, it helps close deals. Now it's your turn. Activate your voice and chat receptionists, get them live on your website, and start turning more visitors into booked customers.